visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
YouTube in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find this video, the message is also meant to find you. Your first card is the Fool card followed by the 5 of Charisma. Bakit naman? Sayang kasi, no? It's either na dito papasok yung bakit ngayon ka lang dumating. It's either meron ka ng karelasyon ngayon at parang sinasabi mo, late na yata, may nagkakagusto sa akin o may nagugustuhan ako, pero I am already in a committed relationship. Or this can also be a, sabihin natin, meron tabu dito. No? The taboo can be, bakit kasi parehas tayo ng gender? No? It can be for an LGBTQIA+ relationship. It can also be bakit magkahiwalay or bakit malayo ang agwat, no, ng ating age. It can also be bakit magkaiba tayo ng religion, no? All the taboos or bakit ganyan kasi ethnicity mo, no? Pinanganak ako sa ethnicity ko. 'Di ba merong mga ganon na kapag eto yung lahi mo, diyan ka lang, no? Merong mga close family na yung traditions ba, no? Bawal malahian ng iba, yung mga ganyan. Royalty, hindi, meron naman talagang ganon, di ba? Yung sa family nila, kapag pure ganito, bawal kang makipag relasyon sa iba, no? Sa ibang lahi. Yung mga taboos, ito yung sinasabi ko. Ang hirap dahil either na-fall in love ka na or na-fall in love na siya sa'yo. Pero parang ano to pwede rin dito yung unrequited love. No? Na bakit hindi natin pwedeng ipagpatuloy? Kasi parang merong pumipigil na kung ano. No? With the King of Intelligence. So, naging open naman, no, kayo sa isa't isa. Siguro this connection started as a friends, no, or friendship. Open naman kayo sa isa't isa. Yun nga lang, hindi na napigilan. Tumibok na yung puso. So, here we are. Hindi natin alam kung paano natin ipagpapatuloy or hindi natin alam kung paano natin ipaglalaban, no, itong connection na ito. With the 8 of Wisdom, feeling ko katrabaho mo ito, no? Or nakatrabaho mo ito. Or still katrabaho mo pa ngayon for a specific project. I think that kasama mo siya sa organization, kaklase, what have you. Nasa iisang workplace kayo, no? Knight of Strength. So, with that being said, ang bilis nga ng mga pangyayari, no? Kasi parang this emotion happened without a warning. Alam nyo sa isa't isa na hindi kayo pwede, no? Kaya nga you started as friends. Pero how can you stop yourself from not loving? No? How to unlove you po? Ayan. How can you unlove the person if um your heart is screaming for, screaming their name? Almost as if na nafe-feel mo, siya talaga eh. Pinigilan ko naman yung sarili ko, but I can't, no? Ang hirap pigilan nitong pagtibok ng damdamin dahil dahil lang sa sinasabi nating rule or sinasabing hindi pwede dahil for, na marginalized. Ito, with the seven of strength. So, nandito na nga. Parang pakiwari natin, feeling natin, niloloko natin yung sarili natin dito eh. We're trying to be cool. We're trying to, probably siguro, someone is already stepping back, no? It can be denial, or it can be talagang hindi pwede, kaya ako pinipigilan yung sarili ko. So, someone is really trying hard not to, or at least show, no? On the surface level. Kasi deep inside, meron ng meron ng kurot rather, itong taong ito. Pero I want to stay calm. I want to stay, kumbaga nonchalant, at least kahit kaharap siya or kahit sa harap ng ibang tao. Yun nga lang ang mahirap dito kasi kalaban mo sarili mo. You can fake everyone, no? You can fake the other people, but you cannot fake what you felt deep inside or what you're even feeling as of the moment, the night of wisdom. So ngayon, medyo stagnant itong situation. Feeling ko tinigilan mula or may mga pause dito, no? Pauses are here. With the strength card and the tower. So ayun na nga, pinipigilang magsalita, pinipigilang makipag-engage. I feel like unti-unting nasisira yung magandang pagsasamahan. Unti-unting nasisira yung just because someone else is, created a rule for it. The Nine of Strength. You're very stressed right now. I feel like hindi lang naman ikaw yung stressed. Pati si person stressed. Hindi natin kasi pwedeng sabihin na, oy puso, oy heart ha, eto lang yung pwede mong mahalin, eto lang yung ganyan, di ba? Sabi nga, kapag tumibok yan, sabi din ni, sino ba yun? Ni Marcelo H. Del Balagtas, yan, na harangan mo man yan ng sibat, no? Kapag umibig ka na, hindi mo na yan, wala ka na talagang, hindi mo na siya makokontrol. So, parehas kayo. Stress dito sa situation na to because of the rules, no? Or it could be the social norms. Or it could be, katulad ng sabi ko, because it's taboo. Ay, sana masolusyonan ninyo to, no? If you want to have a reading, or personal reading, you might wanna book, no? Kung kayo nakaka-resonate dito sa reading na to, let me know sa comment section. Like what I mentioned. Sa description box ng video na ito, kung kayo merong mga tanong, nandun po yung aking page link, no? Or website. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Libra, Leo, Aries is here, Gemini, Sagittarius, yeah, Aries, nandito talaga siya. Aquarius, Virgo, and Scorpio. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the